Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, ako lang mag-isa nagpo-vlog. But guys, wait. The fall down. Guys, it's time to relax.
Magpipig ka lang yung kuryente, anak. Nako.
Yep. Bakit? Ma, ako nandito. Papatayin ko na.
Patayin mo na.
Halika, punta ka sa sala, tawagin mo si Diana kahit makalinis yung suka, patay mo yung ilaw.
Ayan na. Oh, short. Go. Guys, are you jumping? Woo. Guys, did you jump? Guys. Lonely. I'm so lonely. Oh, yeah, what the fuck? Natumba mo yun, ha? See my white cat. Hello? Boosh! Shot! What my parents doing? See it? It's ring. Thanks.
Kaya sabi nga si Gibu, pag nakakuha akong pera, bukas, papasyalan kita dyan. Sabi ko, mo naman ako ito.
Ma! Hindi lang kasi yung suka.
Saan? Saan? Sa kama?
Naabala mo pa ang tatrabaho yan.
Gabi na, trabaho.
Hindi,
Yun na nga, umuwi na yun.
hindi pa. Lola?
Sasabihin ako sa iyo, di ba ma? Kailangan pwede lang dalawin yung pinatay ko sa sala. Doon dito sa Cappuccino!
Bukas daw tapon saan yan na, inaway ko na. Sabi ko, tagbiting lang. Nakainin niya na ba?
Lumusot. Buti guys, hindi nahulog yung set. Ain't lonely. Let's play rock, paper, scissors, shoes. Rock, paper, scissors, shoes. If you win, say it to comment section. Okay? Do it. Another. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. If I lose, you need to like. Rock, paper, scissors,
Shoo!
Baba.
If I lose again, go click the subscriptions. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If you win, I will comment to your video. I will like it and I will subscribe. Joke. I will comment and like. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If you win, like. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If I win,
Grabe, kung talaga naman
you need.
yung layo.
My cat is crazy, sorry. If you win, go click the sound. Joke. If you win, just like it. Okay? And comment I win. Comment down below how many you win, you lose. Okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hey guys, don't fight in here. Nyako, that's a new cat.
bigay mo yung watch, bawasan mo ng 600 dyan. Bigay ko yun.
My cat is,
Bigay mo kay bakla yun.
my mother cat is
Kumangal ka kung tatawag.
fighting the another cat. I got dog. Ay, baka maba ako may suka mo.
Di naman ikaw nagbenta.
I'm
nun eh.
tired, guys.
Para nga mabenta na kamo eh. Pag yung pera eh.
Let's play Jollibee. Joke. What are we gonna play?
Hindi ganun ang gusto naman nila na hindi nila na matutuloy. Paano rin
I
naman
don't
yung
know
gusto
what
natin?
else.
Tayo nagbibenta, nag-ano.
Look,
Nagiging dahil sa
there's some money. My brother money.
pera ba yun? Hindi ganun. Sabihin mo sa kanya.
Guys, if you want to see my brother, his name is Joren Mark Ditin Tugan. She's working
Hindi nga mabili eh.
on the resort. His name is Bosai. It's here. And if you are in the USA, click like, subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.